What's up guys, it's Justin Giovanni here and welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park during autumn. What? Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, I got it in 360 so you guys can definitely see all around me. You guys, this is a small little section going up to Alberta Trail and this is gorgeous. I've been waiting for this area to turn colors, but as you can see in front of me, behind you, half of it is yellow and then the other half is green. A little bit of yellow back there, but oh my gosh. And this is like one of a few different areas that are surrounded by aspen trees. All right, let's go. I gotta show you guys something that is pretty neat. There's a nice little opening, nice little valley that's coming from the waterfall. Shit. Holy hell. Oh, you guys, look at this. Oh, as you can see on the other side of the mountain, a little bit of color going on, but oh, look at this view, guys. Oh, so we got about a little bit less than a quarter mile until Alberta Falls, but let's keep on trucking. Let's go. You guys, oh man. Holy moly. Look at the colors, guys. So think right around this bend, Alberta Falls is right here. And what better way to enter the waterfall by being greeted by the aspen trees. Oh. So what we're doing right now, oh man, you guys, look at the colors. Holy. Okay, so what we're doing, we're actually going to be hiking up higher, and I'll tell you why. Holy moly, you guys, check this out. Ugh, crossing very slippery. Oh, you guys, holy moly. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so right now I'm gonna get a few photos. I don't have a whole lot of time for sunset, so I'm going to set up on my tripod, the camera, and then I'll get back with you guys after I set everything up. I'm going to be setting up right here and kind of using the waterfall as a leading line all the way to my aspen trees, and then mountains in the background, and hopefully we get a little bit of color in the sky. So let's go. I'll swing you guys around and I'll kind of show you a visual of what I'm photographing. So it's going to be the waterfall coming down, falling off the cliff, and that's actually going to be leading you towards the golden aspens. that are kind of like mid-ground. And then my background's going to be the mountains in the back with a little bit of trees that are turning as well, but they're like spotted. And then I'm actually kind of waiting for the sky to actually have that golden hour color to it, because we are in golden hour right now, but the way that we're sitting, we're actually behind the mountain, so nothing is like exposed, you know, we can't see the colors on the land, but I have a feeling that it's going to show up in the sky. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be essentially doing HDR. Yeah, I know. I was actually here a couple weeks ago scouting out this area, and I got a really great shot of this location, and it was with HDR. We have the fires here in Colorado, right? So the clouds off in the distance was billowing up into the sky, but since it was golden hour, those clouds ended up catching the sun's colors, and I mean, it just made the photo pop. Now it's unfortunate that, you know, that there's fires here in Colorado, but like, it's a natural thing, you know, so it's gonna do good for the land. I'll show you the photo of last time I was here kind of scouting out the area. I'll show that photo here. I got everything set up with the tripod. We're going to be taking 3 photos. So we're going to be bracketing 3 exposures. Each of the exposure is going to be a difference of 2 stops. So negative 2 stops right in the middle, and then plus 2 stops. So the waterfall is going to be like nice and smooth. It's going to be leading your eyes into the foreground. Oh, hello. We got a little friend. Ah, what's up, dude? All right, see you later. He's actually looking for food. So these chipmunks are so reliable on human traffic, because people tend to feed these animals when they're up here. I highly recommend don't, because, or at least if you do, give them like fruits, nuts, you know, something they can find in nature, because if you kind of give them human food, it's not part of their diet, and they're going to be relying on people to give them food. So when winter rolls around, there won't be a whole lot of people coming up here. So then the animals kind of suffer because they're looking for food, because they're used to people feeding them. So if you do go into a nature area, I highly recommend don't feed the animals. It's, I guess here in Rocky Mountain National Park, it's illegal too. So, but anyway, all right. So let's go ahead and start capturing this shot. I am using the cable release, so I don't have to touch the camera, and it's super convenient. I already have my focus set on the trees. My shutter speed's kind of changing around quite a bit. My aperture is going to stay the same at f9, and my ISO is L, so it's about like 50 on the ISO. So let's go ahead and take that photo. All right, so we're going down to 20th of a second. Gotta make sure. Oh, yes. There's a little bit of the clouds starting to turn, and it's looking awesome. So that first one is exposed for the sky. So the second one, we're gonna get it right in the middle of that metering. It's at 1/5 of a second right now, right? So that's gonna be all your midtones. So let's go ahead and get that shot real quick. Composition's still looking good. Ooh. So I look pretty good, I will say that. All right, so the last exposure is gonna be this right here, right? So that's gonna be my shadow. So mostly like these trees right here, the pine trees, they'll definitely show up a lot better. So let's make sure. Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. Yo, it's so good. So, also one thing I should mention, when you do your white balance, whatever you choose, keep it consistent. I wouldn't recommend doing auto white balance, because you're gonna have to fix that in Lightroom or Photoshop, just because your camera might pick up on the different white balances between like the sky and your like here in the mountains. So if you do pick a white balance, stick with it for all the different shots. So a nice little tip. Oh my God. So I got everything packed. Light is pretty much almost gone. Yeah, just about starting to get into blue hour right now. So with the light being gone, sadly, we must end the video. Psych, just kidding. I'm actually gonna come back here tomorrow morning and record a lot more of this place, because I mean, come on, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh. I mean, Jesus, look at the colors. Ah, look at that. Yeah, so I am definitely not ending the video here. We are coming back tomorrow morning for sunrise and to explore more of Rocky Mountain National Park during autumn. So with a little bit of editing magic, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's go! What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome back to Alberta Falls here in Rocky Mountain National Park. So let me explain all this. So we are waiting for sunrise. I was kind of thinking about this mountain that's far in the background, and maybe the sun will kind of light it up, kind of hoping. So we're on the other side of the waterfall right now. That way we get a little bit more higher on elevation, and we're actually back a little bit further. That way we could zoom in just a touch to bring up the aspen leaves and also the mountain in the back, so that when you kind of like step back and zoom, your background tends to be a little bit larger. It's a really cool effect. As you can probably see right now, it's the waterfall as a leading line into the aspen trees with the mountains in the background. So I'm kind of waiting for these clouds to kind of turn a little bit more. I have done a couple test shots and they look really good. We're gonna do a 3 exposure bracketing. Show you guys. I know it's a little bit kind of hard. Yeah, so there's your highlights, there's your mid, and then there is your shadows. So kind of I can't wait. I can't wait. We're still kind of waiting for that cloud above that mountain to kind of slowly start to turn. So my camera settings are going to be kind of messing. They're going to be kind of moving around quite a bit, at least with the shutter, but the aperture is at f9 again, like yesterday, and the ISO is low, so it's 50 on the ISO. Focus is down. Like yesterday, I did a pre-focus, focus on the aspen, And then we're just gonna be manually changing the shutter on everything. I'm stoked. So technically it is sunrise right now, but as we were driving in, we ended up seeing clouds off in the distance, so I think that's the reason why this mountain hasn't lit up or anything else has been lit up, because there's all those clouds over there. So just kind of waiting, really. Just I hope there's like a little sliver in the clouds so that sun could kind of like peek through just for like a moment, but we'll see. I know we'll just kind of like wait around to get that shot, so yeah, let's wait around. Sun's finally emerging out of those clouds, slowly but slowly but surely. Oh man! So it's just hitting this peak right over here. Oh. Okay, it's starting to go. I gotta look at it. Gotta make sure with everything. The mountains. Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Dude, I am pretty stoked. I knew this would happen. I just didn't know how long it was gonna take. So another thing, since it is a little bit past sunrise, there's gonna be a lot more people down in the shot. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to, Photoshop them out. That way it's just nothing but nature, no like human down there, because some of them are wearing like bright colors, but you know, whatever. They're enjoying nature too. You guys, the peaks, they're, can't wait, I can't wait. So, as you can see, in front of me, behind you, just the peaks alone in the far back are exposed by the sun only, and then everything else is in shadow. So I'm hoping those mountains kind of pop out a little bit more, but I'm pretty excited about this shot. Oh my gosh. So all the clouds previously are no longer there. Unfortunately, they ended up kind of moving out to the east a little bit, but it's still a really good shot. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. All right, so the sun is touching more and more of the rest of the mountains, so it's so gorgeous. So the sun is just barely touching the smaller mountains, but it gives it like a nice little depth to it, along with the taller mountains in the background. So, and it's looking so nice. There's a one. Oh. There we go. Those are, you guys, this, it's looking so good. Oh man, it's worth waking up early in the morning for this stuff. It looks so good. Oh man, the aspen trees pop so nicely, nice and vibrant too. Okay, so I think this spot is pretty much done, but yeah, this place, look at it, it's so nice. Oh man. Okay, so let me pack all my gear up, so let's go. So with the light being gone, with golden hour, you know what that means. Yes. This time we are ending the video here. But I mean, had an incredible time. I mean, like, look around, guys. Look around, surrounded by these golden aspen trees. Oh, man, I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that you guys ended up joining me on this awesome adventure. This place is fantastic. I absolutely love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Yes! And if you enjoyed the video as well, and hopefully you did, hit the like button. Yes! But you guys are awesome. Stay awesome. And until then, I will see you all in the next video. See ya.